Good herd. It's actually a nature preserve. Believe it or not, feels like I'm trespassing, but nope. There's like a little gate mechanism. Not in the middle, on the side there. It's not too hot, but this is actually a creek, or at least seasonally. Ugh, I would not drink that water. But what am I talking about? Even if it was clean and flowing, only in a pinch, right? They're watching me. They're slowly going over. Kind of scared them when I first got here. I like, whatever. It's just a human.